This is the Euromillions lottery system that we are taking into account. So this is the game history of the Euromillions lottery. The last results of the Euromillions lottery provided this set of numbers. So it includes the number 13, 16, 19, 35, and 41. So this is the last results of the Euromillions lottery system. So based on this result, that I want to make some predictions for you to get some winning ticket for today. So let's go to the results history, and as we are having it here, which is the results number 265. 265 for the Euromillions lottery. So 265. So result number 265, we have the number 13, 19, 35. So current results of the Euromillions lottery selected 13, 19, 35. The same three numbers. So after these numbers, we have 12, 24, 26, 36, 42. So let's copy those numbers. 12, 26, 24, 26. 12, 24, 26, 36, and 42. Next, let's go to results number 608. So 608. This results number 608, Friday results. So let's copy these numbers and see the numbers below. All right. So the same numbers dropped here from the old one to the current results. 13, 16, 35, 13, 16, 35, current results. After which the number 16 repeated within the list. So let's pick 14, 15, 16, 19, and 44. So we have 14, 15, 16, 19, 44. The next, let's go to results number 662. 662. So we have it here, 662. We have the number which is 19, 19, 35, 41. So after which we have 18, 20, 23, 42, and 48. Let's copy those numbers. 18, 20, 23. 18, 20, 23, 42, and 48. We are having 8 areas to copy. So this is the third one. Let's go to the fourth one, results number 926. 926. So we have the number 16, we have 19, and 35. After these numbers drop, we have 12, 19, 43, 44, 45. So 12, 19, 43, 44, and 45. All right. The next, let's go to results number 933. 933. So 933, we have 16, 13, 16, 35. The three numbers drop over there. All right. So we need to copy the number 8, 16, 32, 40, 50. So 8, 16, 32, 40, 50. 8, 32, 16, 40, and 50. The next, let's go to results number 983. 983. So we have it here. So we got 13, 19, 41. So current results drop the same set. Current result drop the same set, all right? So after which we have 4, 3, 4. Let me see. 2, 4, 13, 22, 43. 2, 4, 13. So 2, 4, 13, 22, 43. So the next, let's go to results number 1114. Let's leave it 3 more, 1114. So 1114. The current result dropped 13, 16, 41. So let's pick 6, 11, 20, 38, and 43. We are making prediction for today. So 6, 11, 20, 6, 11, 20, 38, 43. Next, let's go to the last one, 1176. 1176. We have 13, 16, 35. So current results dropped those numbers. So we have 1, 8, 11, 25, 28. So 1, 8, 11, 25, 28. So gathering this information, we need to find out the likely hot numbers for today. So this is the entire record that we've taken. Therefore, we need some hot numbers. So the numbers that repeat in it will be the hot numbers. So hot numbers. So let's see. The number 12. Let's see. Time to find out the repeated numbers. So we have 12, 12. So 12 as repeated. So meaning that 12 will be part of the hot numbers. The next we have 24. 24 is only one in the list. 36. 36 is also one in the list. And 42. 42, we have 42 here. We have 42 here. So 42 become a hot number for today. The next we have 14. 14 is only one. 15 is also one. 16. So we have 16 here. We have 16 here. So 16 becomes a hot number. Next we have 19 here. We have 19 here. So 19 also become a hot number, likely to be repeated. Then we have the number 44. We have 44 here. 44 here. So 44 will be a hot number. The next we have the number 18. 18 is only one. 20. Okay, we have 20 here. Then we have 20 here. So 20 becomes a hot number for Euromillions lottery today. the next 23, then the next 43. So 43, we have 1, 2, 3, 43. So 43 becomes a hot number. 43 appears 3 times. Let me see here. So it is the most hot number. Then the number single 8 appear here and appear there. So we add single 8 to the hot numbers. Then 32, only 1, 40, 1, 50, 1, 2, 4, they are all 1, 1, 13. Let me see. 13, 2 is 1, 22, 1, 6, 11. The last number 11. So 11. So let's add 11 to the hot numbers. All right. So this is the hot numbers for today. And let's see the likely numbers. So Euromillion likely numbers for today. So the likely numbers, the numbers that we did not mark it. So they include 24, 26, 36. So let's write it 24, 26, 36. Then also we have 14, 15, 18. Let me see. 14, 15, 18. 14, 15, 18. Then also we had the number 45, 32. So 45, 32. Then we have the number 40 and 50. So we have 40 and 50. Then we also have the number single 2, single 4, 13, single 2, single 4, 13. Then the next we have the number 22, 6. So 22 and 6. We also have 38, single 1, 38, single 1. Then we have 25, 28, 25, 28. Then the hot numbers, let's add the hot numbers 12, 42, also 16, 19, 11, 44, 20. We are adding the hot numbers 43 and single 8. All right, so this is the entire prediction for the Euromillions lottery system today. So the hot numbers we have 12, 42, 16, 19, 11, 44, 20, 43, and single 8. Likely numbers we have 24, 26, 36, 14, 15, 18, 45, 32, 40, 50, single 2, single 4, 13, 26, 6, 38, 1, 25, 28, 12, 42, 16, 19, 11, 44, 20, 43, and single 8. So the hot numbers here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Likely 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So they are all 28 set of numbers. If you are lucky, 4 or 5 numbers can draw from this set of numbers. Normally drop 3, but we want 5 numbers as the jackpot numbers to all draw from this section. And if you are lucky to this area, the hot numbers can also drop 3 or 4 numbers from here if you are lucky. Sometimes they drop 2. Let's hope that this area can drop 3 for you. Alright, so this is the prediction for the Euromillions lottery system. And the date, maybe you are watching this video late. The date is the 22nd of November, the year 2022, that we are using this particular one. This channel is new. When you follow this channel, you get daily predictions or weekly or results predictions for the Euromillions lottery system and sometimes the England National Lotto. So this is what I have for you for today prediction. Thanks for watching. Wishing you good luck in the Euromillions lottery. Have a good day. Bye.